Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get CapCut templates from TikTok. So here I've already opened my TikTok, and if you want to find a CapCut template, you can do it on TikTok by doing this. So first, after opening up your TikTok app, just go to the search option at the top right corner and just here type in the templates that you want. For example, CapCut, I'm going to just go with CapCut templates, and in here there will be lots of CapCut templates that you can freely use. For example, I want to use this one's right here. So you can just click on the CapCut button, try this template in the TikTok like this. Just click on that button, and then here click on the use template and CapCut, the red one, and you'll be directed to the CapCut apps. And after that, you can just click on the use template and select your own video to use on that template. For example, this one, click on preview, and after that your CapCut video will be created that you get from the CapCut templates on TikTok. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like this video, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.